Need to rephrase without losing your academic nuance? Here's how Paraphrase within Paperpal can help you. Start by accessing Paperpal's Rewrite feature from the right-hand side pane and choose the Paraphrase mode. Select the sentence or paragraph you want to rephrase and hit Generate. Paperpal instantly gives you a rephrased version with the same meaning, different expression, while keeping your citations intact. Compare the original and the new version side by side before making any changes, or even toggle between different modes to find the version that works best for you while keeping the original text for reference. If the first output isn't quite right, you can always edit the output or hit retry for another variation. You stay in control of which version fits your writing. Once you're happy, click Replace and it goes directly into your manuscript. You can also access Paraphrase from the inline commands. Simply select your text, click Paperpal AI, and choose Paraphrase from the menu. Same options, same control, without ever leaving your writing flow. Try paraphrasing on Paperpal today.